suited, it's time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time at all.
Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlock here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. Want to save money, rent your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you. This is the Fang Headlight Bezel from Ciro 3D. It is made specifically for the front of your shark nose fairing. And like all quality Ciro 3D products, this is a nice plug and play system. Very simple to install. We're going to show you how. While going down the road, it adds additional white light to the front of your bike. And of course, when you hit your signals, it turns amber. It gives more awareness to the front of your bike. Better chance that motorist will see you coming. And this product is available in chrome or black. And if you appreciate this free video and all the free videos on this channel, you can support us. If you're interested in this product, you can get it right from the Law Abiding Biker store. Link in the description below. We appreciate your support. All right, and with that said, what do you say we get this installed? And although this video is specifically about the shark nose fairing, don't forget we have a full line of Ciro 3D products for all your different makes of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. All right, and just 4 Phillips screws along the top of this windshield on this Road Glide. And that's what he's working on right now. All right, and he's just finishing up the last one there, and we'll get that windshield out of the way. All right, so now he's just going to lift up and remove this vent system and get that out of the way. All right, we're just going to disconnect right and left signals, and you come right up top here, little button, you push it and they pull right out. We'll do that on both sides. He's moving over to the right side here, and same thing. All right, with a 3/16 hex head, you're gonna have to remove the signals from both sides. They're just one bolt. All right, and with a T25, there's 2 bolts on the inner fairing here. This is gonna release the outer fairing, so you gotta get both of these out of here. He's also got a wind deflector on here, of course. So dual purpose, but one on top there you can see he's working on. And then he'll move around to the bottom, and there's one more tucked up underneath there that he's working on. And I'll get that out of the way, and then we'll do that on both sides. Okay, we're going to remove speaker grills. Easiest way is just with like a dental pick or any kind of pick tool. Reach in one of the holes, just be gentle. There's 2 clips on the inside, and just see them there. Those are the 2 clips that go in there, and just pop it right out. All right, with a T-Torx 27, of course there's one on left and right side, and you can see it down in there. He's just getting that backed out. All right, and same on the other side, getting that one backed out. Now that everything's released, he can go ahead and remove this shark nose fairing, and we'll set it aside. All right, and to remove this headlight bezel, there's just 2 T25 bolts, one in the bottom, and he'll move up, and of course there's one on the top there. And with both of those removed, you can get your headlight bezel out of the way. So we're looking at the Fang Headlight Bezel for Road Glide here, of course. And just note before you install that they're marked. One says left, and that's this one, and the other one's marked right. And you're just going to line it back up here, and of course it goes on just like your stock headlight bezel in its place. And he's going to reuse his stock bolts, the ones we took out, top and bottom. And he's just tightening this down top and bottom with his T25 wrench. Tight, and about another 1/4 turn's fine, guys. This is plastic. You don't want to break it. All right, so you see he has the Fang LED headlight bezel put on the left side here, and that in his right hand, he's obviously holding the wire. It comes with a splitter built in. We're going to show you how that works. Over in his other hand is the actual signal, stock. When we remove the fairing, we actually unplug the signals, the stock signals, and so that's what that plug is. And so that's all he's going to do. You're basically just splitting your signal wire with the Ciro plug there. It's a CAN bus system. And then that leaves us the other end so that we can plug the stock signal back in when we put the fairing on, or you can add additional Ciro lighting products and just daisy chain them. All right, and so now he's got the right side Fang bezel installed there. And of course, same thing on this side. He's just plugging it in and splitting that signal. And there you go, a set of Fang LED headlight bezels from Ciro 3D. Super easy install.
Uppercut. Tired of hitting the layup, suited it, time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time at all. Tired of hitting the layup, suited it, time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time damn it all. You couldn't catch up if you wanted to. I got a new speed and it's on the move. I ain't gotta work no